Tesla shifting into lucrative video game industry. December 30, 2022. Steam lets Tesla drivers access over 50,000 video game titles from their car. And the unique new feature could be a lucrative step toward the automaker's plans for what the street calls a living room on four wheels. In other words, as Tesla's FSD eventually becomes fully autonomous, the in-vehicle gaming industry could grow substantially. And the automaker has already carved out space for itself in the emerging sector. To be sure, FSD has a long way to go before people are driving and gaming at the same time. And Steam currently only remains available while the vehicle is in park. Tesla has also disabled the passenger play feature for safety purposes, though it could eventually change this once in-car gaming becomes more common and optimally safe. The recent holiday software update activated Steam for Tesla's newest Model S and Model X vehicles due to their upgraded AMD Ryzen processor and AMD RDNA 2 GPU, which are supposedly powerful enough to run games at PS5 level quality. Tesla is also planning to develop a retrofit for 2021-2022 Model S and X vehicles that aren't equipped with the right hardware to run Steam games. Tesla made its debut in parked car gaming in 2019 with the introduction of Arcade, a library of its own games offering around 20 titles. With the addition of the Steam beta, Tesla owners will gain access to one of the world's largest video game catalogs, including games from small, independent game teams and major studios alike, according to research from Ampere Analysis in a report from CNBC. The global games and services market is expected to reach $188 billion in 2022. Despite being hampered by COVID-19 related supply constraints and overall sales reductions. In 2023, the research predicts the market's sales to grow once again, forecasted at $195 billion. After 2 years of huge expansion, the games market is poised to hand back a bit of that growth in 2022 as multiple factors combine to undermine performance. Ampere Research Director Piers Harding-Rolls said, "Even so, the year will end well ahead of pre-pandemic performance. And the outlook for the sector as a whole remains positive, with growth forecast to return in 2023. He added, source reposted and summarized from Peter McGuthrie at Avanex. My take: once Tesla solves FSD, people are going to need more things to do while traveling. Tesla confirms Lathrop Megafactory can produce 10,000 Megapacks per year. December 30, 2022. Tesla Energy does not get as much attention as the company's electric vehicles, but it has achieved its own fair share of milestones over the course of 2022. And thanks to the Lathrop Megafactory, which produces Megapack batteries, Tesla Energy could very well achieve even more milestones in the coming years. Tesla recently listed a summary of its most important accomplishments in 2022. Among these was the opening of the Megafactory, which is located in Lathrop, California. The Megafactory is quite unique in the way that it specifically produces the company's Megapack batteries, which are designed for commercial use. And as per Tesla's recent Twitter posts, the Megafactory can produce 10,000 Megapack units per year. That's a substantial number of Megapacks from the Lathrop Megafactory alone, at over $2 million each. A production of 10,000 Megapacks per year could provide Tesla with sales of over $20 billion. Provided that Tesla's gross profit per Megapack is significant, the company could start to see Tesla Energy's contributions to its bottom line grow substantially in the coming years. Elon Musk predicted way back in 2014 that there's essentially quasi-infinite demand for energy storage if the energy density and the price are good enough. Considering the progress of the battery sector in recent years, the time may be ripe for battery storage systems to become mainstream. The wait times for the Megapack certainly suggest that Musk was onto something when he made his prediction in 2014. As the earliest estimated deliveries for the commercial battery on Tesla's website are listed at Q3 2024. So far, all eyes would likely be on the Megafactory to see just how well Tesla could ramp the production of the Megapack. Aerial flyovers of the facility this month suggest that just like plants like the Fremont factory, the Lathrop Megafactory is currently pushing hard to produce and deliver as many Megapacks as possible before the end of the year. Source reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at Tesla RT. My take: very soon people will start to see how big Tesla Energy will become. Tesla FSD beta has grown 475% year over year. December 30, 2022. Tesla's full self-driving suite may really become the dark horse of the electric vehicle maker. A hint of this could be seen in the progress of the company's FSD beta program, whose user base appears to have grown by 475% year-over-year and 78% since the third quarter. In a series of posts on Twitter, Tesla's official account noted that one of its accomplishments this year was that it was able to allow anyone in North America who has purchased the full self-driving suite to access FSD beta. Since then, the program has reached a total of 285,000 cars. Enabled anyone in North America who has purchased FSD to request FSD beta, reaching 285k cars total. Tesla wrote. During an appearance at the All-In Summit earlier this year, Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated that the EV maker was working hard to expand its pool of testers. Musk mentioned then that Tesla was looking to hit about 1 million testers by the end of 2022. While 285,000 cars is a far cry from 1 million. It is a notable accomplishment nonetheless, especially if one were to track how much the full self-driving beta fleet has grown over the past year. A look at Tesla's Q4 2021 update letter would show that just 1 year ago, Tesla's FSD beta fleet was comprised of just 60,000 vehicles in the United States. Since then, the FSD beta fleet had grown steadily, culminating in Q3 2022 when the group reached approximately 160,000 users in North America. Considering that Tesla's FSD beta fleet has grown to 285,000 cars, it would suggest a growth of 475% year-over-year. It has also posted a quarter-over-quarter growth of 78%. Elon Musk has been pretty open about the idea of FSD becoming the difference maker for Tesla's value in the coming years. But while the system has not achieved autonomous driving yet, FSD has achieved some milestones this year. This included a wide release of FSD Beta 10.69.3.1 to full self-driving suite customers in the United States, which was rolled out late last month. Source reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at Tesla RT. My take: once Tesla solves this, they will become the most valuable company in history. Tesla may come close to its 50% delivery growth guidance in the USA. December 30, 2022. Tesla has continued to stand behind its guidance to achieve 50% delivery growth year-over-year. While it appears it may be closely in line to meet that target, some reports suggest it's just not possible. However, according to data from Cox Automotive, the EV brand may actually come close to pulling it off. At least in the US, automakers don't typically grow like Tesla has and continues to, though it is still a startup that's building and ramping up factories across the globe. The last few years have been rough in the automotive industry as a whole, but Tesla has stood its ground and proven that it can succeed far beyond most brands, amid much uncertainty and adversity. Based on a number of recent media reports and statements from analysts, it appears Tesla may fall short of its 50% growth goal this year, which would not come as a surprise considering the challenges it has faced in 2022. However, the electric automaker has been pulling out all the stops to try to ensure that it can deliver virtually every EV it can produce, and all ahead of the end of the year. In order for Tesla to achieve its goal, it will need to sell over 1.4 million EVs across the globe in 2022. Based on Cox Automotive's detailed analysis, the firm believes Tesla will sell almost 134,000 cars in the US in Q4 2022. This would mark a 16% year-over-year bump from Q4 2021. Adding up all estimated Tesla sales in the US for 2022 brings Cox to a total of nearly 525,000 vehicles delivered on our shores, which is 48.9% sales growth in the US on the year. At this point, there's really no way to know for sure exactly how many cars Tesla will deliver in the US for 2022. And it's still difficult to put a finger on how many EVs Tesla is selling across the globe as the year comes to an end. That said, the brand has been setting records in China and Europe, and inventory in the US is plummeting thanks to Tesla's temporary incentives and discounts. Tesla's stock has been on a downward spiral for some time now, so investors are likely hoping the brand can meet guidance and appease Wall Street. If Tesla fails to hit its target by a notable figure, the company's stock could plummet even further. However, it's all just an educated guessing game for now. We shall learn soon enough what the truth holds. It's time to place your bets. How many cars will Tesla deliver globally in 2022? How about in the US? Source reposted and summarized from Stephen Loveday at Inside EV.